Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to continue chapter number 2, The Tsunami. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So, here I start. Please pay attention. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. There are people who believe that means animals, those who are living on this earth, they have got a sixth sense, and they know early that what's wrong is going to take place, what's wrong going to happen. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. There have been some experts who believe that animals are more sensible, animals are more sagacious. They can easily feel that what kind of wrong thing going to happen, right? And they can easily feel the earth's vibration. They can easily assume, they can easily think of doing something wrong, happening something wrong. Let us move ahead. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. They can easily sense an approaching disaster. It means, they come to know early whatever wrong, thing happen, right, or going to happen. They early sense it. When some kind of, natural disaster going to take place. And it is before humans realize. What cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 50,000 people in a dozen countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. It is believed by the people that as the animals have got sixth sense and they can easily sense the natural disaster which is going to take place, which is going to happen. Alright, so they already rushed away from there where actually it is going to take place, and saved their lives by rushing away from there. Means where 50,000 people have been killed by this natural disaster, where many animals have been reported, where there have been lot of animals who really survived, as they already knew that something wrong going to take place, so they must rush away from there. So they rushed away and escaped themselves, and this was how they survived. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. Means there had been very coastal areas where thousands of people reported killed, but buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. There was no harm with these animals. They survived, they escaped from there. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds, right? There is a Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, where various kinds of wild animals are kept, like elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patana Nangla Gala beach inside the park. So there too tsunami took place, and 60 visitors were swept away from there by the big giants wave. But no animal carcasses were found. But there was no animal who was found dead there, except for two water buffaloes, except two or three water buffaloes. All right, now let's continue. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Patana Nangala beach. So, at that park as well, tsunami took place over there, and a lot of people swept away by the giant waves. But people had seen some elephants rushing away from there. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his two dogs would not go for their daily routine on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said. But on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. There was a person from Sri Lanka, and he had a dog. Dog was in the habit of going outside for the beach daily, and but that day he denied to go over there as he sensed that natural disaster. And this was how the dog saved his life. So, my dear students, here the chapter ends. I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.